014, go ahead.
Hey, QSL, very good, very good. Very good signal on you, 5x7, 5x7 to 5x5 here in the state of Tennessee. Operator name is Ken, Kilo Echo November. Ken, Kilo Echo November, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014. Ken, back to you, sir.
2 Mr. Ken, from DX044. Thanks for coming back there, Ken. As I said, you're 5x5. Personal name here would be Terry, Tango Echo, Radio Yankee, and nice to make the contact with you this evening, mate. Go ahead.
Hey, QSL, very good, Terry. Very good. Your radio was got good audio, and you got a good signal on you. Good propagation. We're about 20 miles north. We are located about 20 miles north of Nashville, Tennessee, Music City. Operating conditions is a President Jackson export radio with an Antron 99 about 25 feet in the air, though, QSL.
QSL there, Ken. QSL, well, you're doing a great job, Ken. Conditions this side, I have the Icon 75603, microphone by Hale PR781, 5-element Yagi in your direction at 20 meters and running about 1200 QSL.
Hey, QSL, very good, very good. Doing you an excellent job. No problem whatsoever. When you keyed down on the triple nickel a while ago, you just, I hear Europe in the background, but when you keyed up, it just came over top of everything. Good making your contact. Very good signal here in the state of Tennessee there. We got some overcast. I didn't know if we was going to have some propagations because the real cloudy at the moment. We've had several days of good DX in your country there, QSL.
QSL, Ken, QSL. Anyway, Ken, not going to hold it too long. Going to give a few more shout-outs, about another 10 minutes on the radio, and then I've got to go QRT. Hopefully I'll have a bit of dinner for me in about 10 minutes' time, Ken. So, 2 Alpha Whiskey 014, Mr. Ken. I wish the 73s all the best, Ken. Thanks for coming back to the shout. And hopefully I can contact you in the future. Cheers and beers, mate.
QSL, Terry. Well, take care of yourself and all the good numbers from my country to yours. Good making the contact. I'll put you down in my logbook. It's been a pleasure, Terry. Take care of yourself and all the good luck on your DX. Good sound station. 2 Alpha Whiskey 014 USA. We thank you, Terry.
Hello, mate.